Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is a very important announcement regarding your preparation for the exam. I've been talking to quite a number of you, and I'm very interested. Make sure that you pass this exam. And I want to make sure that you all hold your head up and walk with an MRCOG. MRCOG is an international degree. It's a worldwide and a global degree, and it is not difficult to pass if you know a good practice and if you do a good practice. First of all, in order to prepare, what I have done is I've set up a preparation module, how to prepare for the course. Now I'm running two courses. One is the correspondence course, which I will talk to you about, and a revision course. And the revision course is supplemented only by doing preparation before that. Otherwise you benefit very little from the revision course. You do benefit, but you benefit relatively less than what you should normally. But if you are self-motivated studying, which is the one that the correspondence course stimulates, it will be very good indeed. And now I have included the whole syllabus as given by the Royal College and the curriculum modules. Go through them thoroughly before even touching your correspondence course. And your correspondence course will start soon, but in this also in this bundle that I have put in the Dropbox, to which you will be directed to, just copy those things and put it in a folder in your desktop and learn through them in the next coming few days. And make sure you prepare your ground, just like building a house. You have a nice plan, and all the details are there. Then it's easier for you to fit things in, and you will know it in and out. Any engineer who builds a house on a plan, he knows everywhere where one switch is, one wire is, everything he knows. So that is the knowledge that you're going to get. Knowledge, this is the absolute ability to build a house of knowledge. Now, I also have included the GTG, Green Top Guidelines, and the NICE Guidelines, and the Royal Sussex University Hospital Guidelines as an example. I can give you other hospital guidelines as well. We can get it for you, and if you are interested, right? And the subjects have been interacted by the blue matrix has been done for part 1. If you should go through the part 1 blue matrix, how that basic principles will fit into your normal practice. Now we are actually sending at the exam, at the course, each week we send you half a set of an exam, that is quarter of an exam, full exam, and we give you guidelines, timing, how to answer it, how to arrange yourself in answering, all the details we have added in. So if you practice, you're going to practice in the correspondence course 17 overtimes. That's 4.5, 4.25 full exams, and we give an additional mock exam as a bonus. So 5.25 exams. Then in the revision course, Professor Konji, who is going to run that exam course in from the 21st of January, he will run another 5 mock exams. So you are generating about 10 mock exams, which means you should be very prepared. Reason that each week we are giving you enough bite size so that you do the exam, then prepare the subjects, categories of the subjects, prepare them fully. Then you know it. The next time a similar question comes, you have the answer because you already done it. And the important thing is, my idea is that you use this knowledge that you're gaining week by week into your daily practice, which is the best way to do it. Apply it on your case, write a summary of it, 2-page summary of your case, leave it. You can revise it. Leave it and revise it. If you have had discussions, or you have a group of you got together and studied together, and you have cases of yours individually, those discussions also write it down. These are valuable papers when you want to revise in the last month or so, especially after the revision course. Then I would suggest that you attend the Konji course. Konji is one of the most dedicated teachers that I've ever known in my life. I've been a teacher for over 40 years myself. but he is very dedicated, very knowledgeable, knows how to guide for the exam, especially in the EMQs, which many of you will find it very difficult. He is one of the master of the EMQ. I work with him very closely and I appreciate him very much indeed. We also give you some guidelines about the OSCE exam at the theory course, the theory revision course of Konji, but we will give you another preparatory lecture like this for the OSCE when you want to follow OSCE courses. The OSCE courses that are run in the UK are beautiful and you must attend at least 1 or 2 and the Royal College one. And there is no harm in doing more courses, but the one that you stimulate on a daily basis is my correspondence course. So attend that. And if you need to prepare the material, register now and immediately start. You can start at any time. You can start over 1 month, whenever you want, in between. But my advice is start from now so that you have spaced yourself nicely. And even if you are sitting for the September exam, I would ask you to start now. You are a luckier person because you have 1 year to cover the whole thing. And you have a structured learning system in front of you. How best is that possible? And it is also available to you wherever you are, regardless of your place or work. And ideally, we are also available on Skype, so you can contact us. If there are topics that you want us to prepare for you, arrange for you, we will do that for you. In fact, I learned from that. So I am very glad to do that. Join this and benefit from this. Pass the exam, and this will be tawfiq inshallah. I hope all of you will pass. And there is a very good chance that if you follow my instructions very carefully and accurately, you will pass. Good luck to you inshallah. Please ask me any questions. We have got your telephone numbers and addresses. Please call us at any time. Or on Skype. Skype HLC MRCOG Part 2 is available, and edit as your friend, and then there is always somebody to answer your questions if you ask any. It's free calls. All the best to you. Assalamu alaikum.